Thank you guys for tuning in to another Face Caption production. Please like, share, and subscribe. Today's tutorial, I'll be using Patrick Starr Floral Collection by MAC Cosmetics. Now you guys know how much I love MAC. I already pre-did her eyebrows, so if you guys want to see how I do it, please watch my previous videos. Now I'm adding Clown White by Nye Cosmetics as my eyeshadow base. Looking at Patrick Starr collection, I'll say it's popping colors. The first shade I'll add to the crease is All's Rosy. Then I'll add Hickey to All's Rosy in the crease. Make sure you blend both those colors in. Then I'll be adding in the shadow on the lid. This blue is extremely strong. When I first placed it on, I was like, whoo, time to take some off. So all I do is pat the blue on the lid. You don't have to dig into it because it's very high pigment. After you pat the blue on the lid, you also have to blend the crease with the blue. So you have to do two things at one time. Add the blue, blend the crease, add the blue, blend the crease. I'm happy with the eye design that I put on her. So next I'll be using Amuse Cosmetic as a liquid liner. After the liquid liner, I'm going to apply eyelashes by Ruby Kisses called V-LUXE, MINKLASH inspired by I.ENVY called Crystal. To glue the eyelashes on, I'm using Sassy Eyelash Glue. For her primer, I'll be using Ever Matte Poreless Freeman Primer by Becca. For her foundation, I'll be using MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid NC50. I only use NC50 in the inner area of her face. I know it looks light, but trust me, I'll blend her in. Then I'll be using MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid NW48 as her secondary color on the outer rim of her face. I always use more than one foundation to create the perfect face. To conceal and highlighter, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Toffee. To contour her, I'll be using NW 58 Studio Fix Fluid by MAC Cosmetics. Next, I'll be using the Nye Cosmetic Translucent Powder to set underneath her eyes. Next, I'll be using Nye Cosmetic Banana Powder to highlight her or bake her. Now for her blush. It's a cute blush, but to me, I think it's a little bit too light for her, but it still looks cute and natural on her. All I did was mix both of those blush together to place on her cheeks. It's cute, it's visible, you can see it. It's very natural. Now I'm just being dramatic by adding highlight underneath her blush. Now for her lip liner, I'll be using Black Dahlia by OCC. Next, I'll be using the lipstick that came in the box, Hey Boy Hey. When doing color lips, you gotta do your best to blend and sharpen it up. I use either foundation or concealer to sharpen up my lips. Next, I'll be using this lip gloss called Queen P. Someone got carried away with that lip gloss. Put too much lip gloss. It's never too late to wipe and clean up as you go. After the lip, I'm happy with the overall look, so I'm going to just dust the baking powder off of her. The banana powder, dusting everything off. Next, I'll be using MAC Cosmetics Skin Finisher in the color Deep Dark to set her outer rim of her face. I sometimes use a little bit Deep Dark to tone down the highlighter or the banana powder if I think it's too bright. It might give me a flashback. Next, I'll be using a white pencil by MAC Cosmetic called Fantastic as a eyeshadow base. I'll be lining underneath her eyes with the blue eyeshadow, going straight across. For the inner eye duct, I did a little twist. I just added a little pink eyeshadow from his collection. Both the shadows from his collection. Now I'm going to use MAC Cosmetic Gold Deposit to give her a little bronzy look. I can say this, I love the Patrick Starr collection. It works for me. I'm just using a regular mascara to pull out her bottom lashes. Now to set her overall face, I'll be using Urban Decay D-Slick. So far, so good. I love the Patrick Starr Floral collection. It's easy to work with. Thank you guys for tuning into this YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you again.